Cambodian cities are growing on the shoulders of Cambodian construction workers, both men and women. Of the 200,000 people who comprise this workforce, it is estimated that nearly 1/3 are women. But these women workers aren't getting a fair deal. On average, women construction workers receive $1 to $3 less per day than the men they work alongside. As well as being underpaid, women construction workers are being underestimated. Women are often working in less skilled work, but their talents are being ignored. 73% of female construction workers claim that equipment on site is reserved for men only, and over half believe they could perform the same work as men to an equal or even higher standard. But they say they don't have the same opportunities to receive training as male workers. Many say they don't get training at all. In fact, on average, women report they work at only 80% of their potential. Women say they'd work better and harder for a pay increase of between 75 cents and $1.25 a day. This means that paying women the same as men could increase their productivity. Women construction workers want the same rights as their male colleagues. They want to be valued, respected, paid. Value women construction workers and you'll increase productivity. Respect women construction workers and you'll increase your profitability. Pay women construction workers equally and you will build a loyal workforce. Support women construction workers. Value women's work.